Lara from larasvegankitchen.com. Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching. If the subscribers are less than 100, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Now I'm going to show you 3 easy vegan breakfast ideas. Let's get started. So the first easy vegan breakfast idea which I'm going to show you is avocado on freshly homemade bread. So first I'm going to start and peel and cut the avocado. Make sure it's a ripe one and a little bit soft on the outside. Beautiful. Then I'm just going to remove the skin. If it's ripe, the skin peels off very easily. There we go. And a small trick to remove the avocado seed, just go with a knife and squeeze it and it's out. So I'm going to slice it thinly, but it's totally up to you how you like it. Then here's my slice of bread. It's my homemade recipe. I'm showing in the description below. I'm putting the link for you. I put it just in the toaster to make it a little bit crunchy. Then these are the garlic cloves from the recipe Easy Vegan Garlic Antipasti. And I'm just taking about 2 to 3, depending a little bit on the side. And simply smash it on the bread. So the next step is to put some avocado. That looks beautiful. And last but not least, I'm putting some of the homemade sauerkraut. Also, I'm going to put the link below in the description. Always I'm using a fresh fork. I never mix them, so no unnecessary bacteria will come into the sauerkraut. It's very rich in probiotics, especially when you make it yourself, as all the store-bought have some kind of preservatives inside as well. It's very easy to make at home and it's really worth it. You can also use red cabbage to make it more colorful. And on top some cracked pepper. And we're ready to have breakfast. The second easy vegan breakfast idea is tomato and hummus on homemade sliced bread. So this slice of bread I have toasted in the toaster as well. And first thing I'm going to put some roasted garlic on top. It gives a really nice flavor, and especially as in hummus is already garlic inside, it really complements each other. So just thinly. So then afterwards I have a nice pot of hummus and I just spread it on it. Hummus is always an all-time saver because you can eat it literally with everything. Vegetable sticks on bread, in a wrap, as replacement for butter. It goes in many ways. So then I have a nice tomato and slice it. You can put, of course, any other vegetable on top as well, like red pepper, cucumber, are always nice things. Just make sure to not use the end of the tomato because it's not that good for you. So then I put some slices, and on top, to get more nutrients in our breakfast, we have our homemade easy vegan lentil sprouts. For this I'm also going to put the recipe below, and you can watch the video as well. It's very easy and a great way to make your own nutrients, grow some own food at home. And we top it with some cracked black pepper. Delicious. So, and the third easy vegan breakfast idea is mushrooms and garlic sprouts on bread. So we heat up a big pan and take some good olive oil. Maybe this is about a tablespoon. So then it's important to wait that the oil is hot. And I put in the sliced mushrooms. So now the mushrooms got a nice color, and I put some pepper on it and some salt. And that's it. Now I can switch off. Then our second step are the sprouts. Again, we heat up the pan and add a little bit more olive oil. So then I have my fresh garlic. Just make sure to check the country of origin. I always avoid Chinese one, as it's not that much regulated. So now the garlic is going quickly to get brown and starts already. And then I put the sprouts inside. And then I quickly stir it all together. And flip it. And also add some cracked pepper and some Himalayan salt. You can switch off the heat already. And use the rest of the heat in the pan. So you don't want to overcook the sprouts to keep all of the nutrients inside. You just let them get a little bit crunchy. that's it. And now I'm showing how to assemble it. So here's my slice of freshly toasted bread, and I'm starting with the hummus to just spread it evenly. Then afterwards I'm using the mushrooms and just place it on top. And finishing with the garlic sprouts. The garlic sprouts are very tasty as a side dish or with some potatoes, and very healthy as well. And that's it. Garlic sprouts on mushrooms on toast. Enjoy! Three easy vegan breakfast ideas. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And bon appetit!